Let me tell you this also. So 1 week, $100, and then after 1 week,
Yes.
good result, then I pay $200 more for full month.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Understand?
Okay. Understand.
Okay, brother, I understand. I understand.
Okay, sir. That's be good for rent house. So right now we work your 1 week. Just this trial, and you give of Ariful Islam $100. You see the result, and after you hire of Ariful Islam full month. That's be good. And I also said it's
And also one other thing I have to ask you is how do you take payment?
available PayPal, Payooner, and bank also.
PayPal, that's fine. No, PayPal is good. Okay, that's fine.
Also, sir, 1 minute. I will listen. That's from Ariful Islam. Ariful Islam, আপনার জন্য better কোনটা হয়? PayPal or Fiverr?
PayPal more, like PayPal for finance.
Okay, sir. PayPal is best for us, and I thank you.
PayPal is there for me also.
Okay, sir.
I already have vidIQ. I already have two buddy. My thing is this. I need the channel to grow, right?
Yes.
So I am looking for growing the channel because right now we are at 43,000 subscribers. I want to get to 100,000.
Okay.
What I need to know from you is how long do you think we can grow channel?
Actually, when we will complete it, YouTube videos here, use by and vidIQ, and you getting the result after 1 month, 2 months, because when your targeted audience they are searched on YouTube, then your video on rank on top after you getting main result. So must be needed some time. Understand, sir?
No, I understand. I understand how SEO works.
Yes.
I understand. When we do a trial, trial is like try. When we try.
I understand, sir.
We do trying for like little time and see, and then continue.
Obviously, that's be important for you. And Ariful Islam, he sent you on inbox there before previous client work. I'm simple about YouTube videos. I hope you understand.
Sure, but I'm looking for doing this long term. So how long do you, like I ask you, how long you want to do this work for? Are you asking for work for 6 months? Are you asking work for 1 year? Like monthly, how long?
I understand, and I've said it. Obviously, first time you check about us, because it's first time experience of you and Ariful Islam. So at first you give your first project of him, Ariful Islam. Like he said me, he asked with you $300 in 1 month, and you check about it just 1 week, $120.
No, I know all this. He sent it to me already.
Yes.
So why don't we do this? Is that my thing is I want to do this, not 1 month. I want to do 4. Like right now, I will be doing lives minimum 4 months. I will be doing live now because most on my channel I do 6 months out of your and daily. So my point is that right now this is my first month coming live, so I have 5 more months like coming live now. So and after 5 months I want to continue. So if I start work with Ariful now, I will want to do for a long time, not just 1 month or 2 months.
Yes,
it will be long. So my thing is that I want to see your work first. You do maybe what I do. I make Arafol editor on the channel.
Yes.
Let him work 1 week.
Yes.
After 1 week, we talk and we see good results. Because I have no problem paying, but I want to see good work. So why don't we do this? Right now you're saying, look, I'm gonna tell you money-wise. So you're saying $300 for 1 month, right?
Yes.
Why don't we do this? You do 1 week right now. After 1 week, we have this meeting again. We look at the results. So I will take screenshot of analytics from YouTube. Day 1 analytics.
Yes.
Day 7 screenshot. And then we can discuss how good it is working. How good this is, Araful work, good or not, right?
Yes.
After that, we will then decide for the full month. Because what I'm thinking is that I can pay you for 1 month right now, but I want to see work first. Then I will pay you for the whole month. If you want for 1 week, I can send $100 now also. But my point is this, that I want to do for full month. So
Yes.
$300 for 1 month rather than $120 for 1 week. That is not it. I'm not interested. I'm interested in full month, and I want for minimum 6 months.
Yes, sir.
Like least amount is 6 months, and then after 6 months we can decide 1 year. But I want work to be good, and I want to see subscribers grow, growth in subscriber base. But also, I think Arifol said that he will do sharing of content from YouTube to other platforms. So,
Okay.
how about this? I have an idea.
Yes, that's be good.
Right? Let's do a try. Yeah. For 1 week. After 1 week, we can talk. And then results are very good, then I just pay you for full month.
Okay, sir. I understand everything. So right now we work your 1 week. Just this is trial, and you give of Ariful Islam $100. You see the result, and after you hire of Ariful Islam full month. That's be good. And I also said it's Ariful Islam আমি আপনাকে বলছি যে আপনার এটাতে করবেন 1 উইক আপনি ট্রাই হিসেবে করছেন $100, দেন আপনার এটা পারফরম্যান্স রেজাল্ট হলো অবশ্যই আপনি হায়ার হবেন পরবর্তীতে। আরিফুল ইসলাম
জি ভাই, উনি বলতেছেন না যে এক সপ্তাহ যদি মনোরঞ্জন কাজ করার মনোরঞ্জন করছেন, তাহলে তো উনি সামার প্রায় বছর
হ্যাঁ
কাজ করতে এটা বলছেন, তাই না?
ইয়েস
তাহলে এক সপ্তাহ জন্য নিয়ে নেন, কাজ নিয়ে নিন, তাহলে এক সপ্তাহ করে বাকি খরচ করতে হলে তো ভালোই, আমি অবশ্যই বলবো।
Okay, thank you. Sir, we discussed about what you say of Ariful Islam, and right now it's fixed. You trial 1 week of Ariful Islam, 1 week your budget, and Ariful Islam he said of I think $100, so it's fixed $100 for 1 week. Then you see of result your YouTube videos.
Let me tell you this also. So 1 week, $100, and then after 1 week,
Yes.
good result, then I pay $200 more for full month.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Understand?
Okay, understand.
Okay, brother, I understand. I understand everything.
Okay.